Okay, so we starting, and that is my 3D models. I catch the different part of view for your reference, but most of the design they are 2D sketch to showing, but now I present for all that is by 3D design. So in lesson 4, I modified the last. And when I after finish, I modify the last. I have to create different part of the panel, the orange one. And then so I draw all the sketch, example like the outsole, the pattern, and the heel pattern. And the upper shape, and the heel and the outsole shape. So you can see. And then I convert to the new body. And then I get the results. You can see all parts is based on my sketch. So if you feel that's the sketch, you draw the lines, the shape is not good enough. So you can going back to the sketch to modify. Then you can see it once again. If you're happy, so you can convert to the solid body. And this one, when I finish all parts of the design and the sketch and convert to solid body. So I transfer in the blender. And I can inspection once again. And all the patterns, all the printing, also colors, and the side metal ornaments or PS. And here I have to express something. I worked with the Paul Smith almost 10 years. I really appreciate and happy during I work with the Paul Smith company. So I create this shoes is for my boss, Paul Smith. Hopefully he happy my design. So and in stock I use the diffuser, but the pattern is based on the strap printing. And also the heel, I use the strap printing, the screen to 99%, and then the coming out is very interesting. Then I upload to the sketch form. You can go in to visit and inspection my 3D model in sketch form. Also, you can download the apps. You can inspection my 3D models in virtual in 360 degrees. It's very interesting things. So if you're happy my 3D models, give me the like and follow of me and you too. And if you happy my 3D models, also you can email to me in the top and visit to my website too. So I can share for you for free. You're not necessary to copyright. And if you have the interesting to make a sample, I can help you and provide all the 3D model for you. So, thank you for your watch. And hopefully, you will enjoy my lessons. So I hopefully see you all once again in lesson 5. It would be very more exciting. And I can showing to you how to create all collection from the sandal until to the ankle boot and the high top boot. And that is totally 6 different style. Okay, thank you so much. Hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.